Hello children, how is everyone? Hope well. Today, let us begin a new lesson called Tansen. Children, I think you may have heard name of Tansen, the greatest musician our country has produced, isn't it? A singer called Mukundan Mishra and his wife, they lived in Behat near Gwalior. And Tansen was their only child and who was even very naughty too. Often Tansen, he ran away to play in the forest and soon he learnt to imitate perfectly the calls of birds and animals. I think some of you too may make calls of some birds and animals, isn't it? Yeah, like you, he too did. Once a famous singer called Swami Haridas was traveling through the forest along with his students. They were tired and they felt to have a rest, to sit down for a few minutes. And Tansen saw them and he felt himself strangers in the forest. It would be very funny to frighten them. So he hid behind a tree soon and he started to roar like a tiger. And a small group of travelers scattered in fear, but Swami Haridas called all together them and said, "Don't be afraid, tigers are not always dangerous," because he came to know that that is not a real tiger. So he said, "Let us to look for this one." Suddenly one of the men from the group, he saw a small boy hiding behind a tree. "There are no tigers here, master," he said, "only this naughty boy." Swami Haridas, he did not punish Tansen. He went to Tansen's father and said, "Your son is very naughty. He is also very talented. I think I can make him a good singer." So Tansen, when he was of 10 years old, he went along with Swami Haridas and he lived with him for 11 years and practiced music, became great singer. In between this time, Tansen lost his parent, but Mukundan Mishra, his wish he had to complete, Tansen had to complete, and the wish was Tansen has to visit Gauss of Gwalior, Muhammad Gauss, whom Mukundan Mishra believed a lot, who was a holy man. So while living in Gwalior with Muhammad Gauss, Tansen, he was often taken to the court of Rani Mriganayani, who was also a great musician herself. In her court, Tansen met a lady called Hussaini. He met her and he married her. Hussaini also became Swami Haridas's disciple. Tansen and Hussaini had 5 children who were all very musical. Tansen had by this time became very famous. Sometimes he sang before Emperor Akbar too, who was so impressed by him that even Emperor Akbar insisted Tansen should join his court. Have a good day, children.